Jeev agus fáilte chuig Botún ago, Thomas Rash. So I know I said a few months ago, not even, probably 2 months ago. Now Botún ago is coming to the end, and it is, but still want to do a few one-off episodes every so often when I feel like I've racked up enough mistakes that I see quite often, and mistakes that are going to be common enough that you guys can take something from it and learn something from it. So I might just do one once every 2 months or so. They're not going to be coming out regularly like before, but I know a lot of people really like Botún ago. So, tá cúg Botún Ella agin Jeev mar is gnáchan for a lot of people. You might not know about Botún ago, had a lot of new subscribers recently. So head back, just always with Patreon, you can just go to the search bar, put in Botún, for example. You'll have all 14, 15 episodes of Botún ago, however many there are now. And especially the first few really cover literally the most common mistakes, the ones I see all the time from learners. There's about 5 in every episode. We even put out a little video around Christmas last year, which basically had all like the first 40 or 50 all together in one video summed up quickly. So a lot you can learn from then, but I know a lot of people already watching this will have seen almost every Botún ago. Anyway, so guys, closumach le ibrahim shin, a quick one here. Gaji anish. Gaji anish for until now. Gaji is until, anish obviously is now, but we can't say Gaji anish for until now. We have to say Gaji sho. So you'll get this with a lot of different stuff in Irish, guys, around, now or then. And essentially what it is that we won't so much use the words anish or anshin. We'll normally use sho and shin. So it's like saying, for example, until this point is what's implied. In other words, until now. Okay, so Gaji sho for until now. Equally, if I want to say before, often in English you just say before by itself. I was there before. Fiban shin will often say riva sho. Okay, some people say riva, but I think easier to keep it simple for yourself, say riva sho. Before this, in other words, before now. So we can't say riva or riv, anish or anshin. Okay, equally we'll just use the shin for Gaji shin until then, riva shin before if it's implied before that point or before then. Okay, so using sho and shin instead of anish and anshin in those ones with different prepositions like riv and Gaji. Iver though, we'll give a sample one here.